you will see me on the bike at some point this year. That is the quote from James Stewart on the Pulp MX show as I'm recording this yesterday, as you'll be seeing it 2 days ago, whatever. That's exciting. Now, I'm going to say this, it's definitely not going to be, at least in my opinion, definitely not going to be him racing. Last time he raced was 2016 or something like that. He's 40 years old now. I'm going to assume it's going to be either some like video project, some cool Red Bull thing, or whoever he's sponsored by now, or just like fun, hey, I'm going to some races and you'll see me do some like ripping around the track for press stuff. But either way, it's still cool. I mean, this is one of the best ever to do this. I mean, just an absolute insane talented guy, and it's cool to see people like this still around the sport. Now, obviously, he still does the commentating. He had his own YouTube, whatever you want to call it, podcast, something, whatever, a few years ago, where he would like go over the races and stuff. But it's cool to see people that were this or that influential, that talented, that level of rider to still continue to be involved in what they were so good at. And obviously his brother's still involved in sport racing, and it's one of those things it's really cool to see. Now, who knows what this is going to be? We'll see. Again, like I said, this is not going to be, at least in my opinion, him racing at all. It's been so long since he's been at that level. Do I think he could still get on a bike and be competitive? Sure. Is he going to go out, rip a motocross track or supercross track and be fighting for podiums at this point? Probably not. And that's not saying anything against him. That's not being mean against him. It's just at 40 years old, with the time gap he's been, I just don't see something like that unless he really went to boot camp and trained for 3 or 4 or 5 months and then decided, what I'm going to do, like the Dungey thing. I'm going to go try and do a series or whatever it is. It's just exciting to me. I mean, it's also going to be the question on what bike. Is it going to be the Suzuki? Is he going to be on a Cowie or who knows what? I would assume Suzuki. At least in my mind, that's the bike that I recognize or attribute James Stewart to. Like, I understand he raced for a bunch of different teams, but Suzuki is when I think James Stewart, it's yellow, it's on that bike right there. But I'm excited about this. I mean, obviously, who knows when this is going to happen, what it's going to be. It's just a demo ride or special appearances, or, it'd be cool. I still wish we had like the Kevin Windham doing big transfer jumps opening Supercross. I know that's probably not going to be what he would do, but I don't know. I'm excited for this to see what actually comes about it. If it's just like a one-time thing, it's going to be kind of sad because obviously, you'd like to see more, but this is what I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. You guys tell me, what do you think he's going to do? Are you excited for it? If it's something like a special one-off, would you consider going to it just because? Whatever it is. Comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.